Canterbury explosion, there we are. From the following group of artists and schools have contributed their fossils, real or imagined, from the past, present or future. There we are. On the bridge. Part of the Severn Bridge project. Look online for further details. Explosion between 540 and 520 million years ago. Bridge is constantly in use here for freight and passenger use, and right here some of the fossils here, both sides. In London, cuts to the schools, the other locals around here in London, and also another interesting community resource here. Little library here. Nice lady called Irene Huntley to bring and share. There we are. Take a book, leave a book, or just drop and say hello.